morning, dear students. So, dear students, today we shall move on to the class 3. So, in the chapter fractions and decimals. So, class 3 means we are going to discuss the exercise problem 2.3. In that one, so that contains improper fraction, mixed fractions, and also proper fractions. We have to just simply simplify those problems and we should solve and find the final answer. So let us we shall move on to one by one. Yes. So in this one so fractions and decimals exercise 2.3. So first question will be there, that is find 1 by 4 of A 1 by 4, B 3 by 5, C 4 by 5. 1 by 4 of A means we should multiply these two and we should multiply these two and we should multiply these two. We shall move on to one by one and we shall discuss how to solve those things. So first one, 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 means we should multiply 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. So that's become, see here, one numerator to numerator we are multiplying and denominator to denominator we are going to multiply. Here 1 into 1 by 4 into 4. So next what's that become means 1 1s are 1, 4 4s are 16. And second one, 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. So this can be written as, we should multiply, of means we should multiply, that is 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. That is 1 into 3 by 4 into 5, that is 3 1s are 3 by 4 5s are 20. Yes, correct alva, 3 1s are 3 by 4 5s are 20. So we are multiplied by 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. We are multiplied these two things. And next C1 will be remaining is there. Next we are going. Yes, here will be there C1. So that is 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. That means we should multiply 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. So here 1 by 4 will be there into numerator 4 by 3. Here we should multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So 1 into 4 by 4 into 3, that is 4 1s are 4 by 4 3s are 12. So that's become 1 by 3. How means 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Here further simplification will be there. Alva? It will be divided once again numerator and denominator by a same number. So that's why we are dividing like this. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. And second one, 1 by 7 of A 2 by 9, B 6 by 5, C 3 by 10. So for 1 by 7 of A 2 by 9, that means 1 by 7 into 2 by 9, that is equal to 1 into 2, that is 1 2s are 2 by 7 into 9, 7 9s are 63. So we can't divide these two numerator and denominator by the same number. So we should keep it as it is. Next 6 by 5 and 3 by 10. Second one, 6 by 5. So 1 by 7 of 6 by 5, that is 1 by 7 into 6 by 5. We should multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, that is 1 into 6 by 7 into 5, that is 6 1s are 6 by 7 5s are 35. So next, last one. That is 1 by 7 of 3 by 10. So 1 by 7 of 3 by 10 means 1 by 7 into 3 by 10. That is 1 into 3. That is 1 into 3 by 7 into 10. 1 3s are 3 by 7 10s are 70. So these are the first question problems that contains multiplication only. If there is a simplification, we are simplified. Otherwise, you should keep the answer as it is. And we shall move on to the second question. that is multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. So that means we should multiply the two fractions, that is two fractions, and then if there is a possibility of converting into lowest form, we should convert, otherwise we should keep as it is. So first one, they given 2 by 3 into 2 of 2 by 3. That means this is mixed fraction and this is proper fraction. First we should convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So solution 2 by 3 into 2 of 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 into 2 of 2 by 3 means 3 will be denominator as it is. 3 into 2 plus 2. That is 2 by 3 into 3 of 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Not like this, they are writing 2 by 3 into 3 2s are 6 plus 2 by 3, that is 2 by 3 into 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 by 3, that is equal to 8 2s are 16 by 3 3s are 9, but this is in the form of improper fraction. We should convert it into mixed fraction by dividing 16 by 9. So this like this, 9 ones are 9, remaining 7 will be there. So in the previous class we are already learned that how to divide the or how to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction by dividing that. Yes, but you should follow the method to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. This is the first question. And second question. And second one, that's very easy. 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. Solution 2 by 7 into 7 by 9 means we should multiply numerator into numerator, that is 2 into 7 by 7 into 9. That is 7 2s are 14, 14 by 9 7s are 63. And further, is it simplify means yes, that will be simplified by using 7 tables, that is 7 2s are 14, 7 9s are 63. That is the simplest form or final form of this one. Next, 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. So we should multiply these two. 3 by 8 into, so 6 by 4 can be written as 3 by 2. That means 4 ones are 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. We are simplifying that one. So this is 3 3s are 9 by 8 2s are 16. So 9 and 16, that's not divided by an same table. So we should keep as it is because it is in also proper fraction. And next, fourth one, 9 by 5 into 3 by 5. Okay. Solution, we should multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. That is 9 into 3 by 5 into 5. That is 9 3s are 27 by 5 5s are 25. So this is in the form of improper fraction. We should convert this into mixed fraction by dividing this numerator by denominator. We should get 1 of 2 by 25 because 25 ones are 25. 25 ones are 25. The remainder will be 2. So we are keeping like this because it is in the form of improper fraction. Next, sixth one. So where sir fifth one means fifth one will be homework for you. You should at least try to solve that fifth one problem. And sixth one, very easy. See here, we should multiply these two. That is 11 into 3 by 2 into 10. That is equal to 11 3s are 33 by 10 2s are 20. But this is in the form of improper fraction. We should convert this into mixed fraction. So by how means we should divide this numerator by denominator. 20 ones are 20, so remaining will be 13. Alva? Somewhat mistake will be there. So 20 ones are, see, 10 3 is 13, 30 by 2 10s are 20. So 20 ones are 20 and the remaining will be 13. So that is 1 of 13 by 20. And second one, and this is the sixth one. So 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. We should solve this to means 4 into 12 by 5 into 7. That means we should multiply. Multiply means in the fraction we should multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. That is equal to 12 into 4 by 5 into 7. 4 12s are 48 or 12 4s are 48 by 7 5s are 35. This is also in the form of improper fraction. We should convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction by dividing this numerator by denominator. So that's become 35 ones are 35, remaining will be 13. That is remainder will be 13. So we should kept this 13 and the numerator and 35 as it is, and 1 is here. This is the whole number. So third one also multiply the following fraction, same thing. So we should multiply. Before multiplying to that, so we should convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then it is easy to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. First one is 2 by 5 into 5 of 1 by 4. So this can be written as 2 by 5 into 4 into 5 plus 1 by 4. 4 into 5 plus 1 by 4, that is equal to 2 by 5 into 4 5s are 20 plus 1 by 4. So that is equal to 2 by 5 into 20 plus 1, 21 by 4. This can be written as 22 into 21 by 5 into 4. So but this is 21 2s are 42 by 5 4s are 20. It is in the form of improper fraction. So we are convert this into mixed fraction by dividing this numerator by denominator. So before going to simplify, we should divide this. 10 2s are 20, 2 10s are 20, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Final simplification alva. So we should divide this 21 by 10. So 10 in the 21 divided by 10 2s are 20. So remainder will be 1. We should write remainder in the numerator and this 10 in the denominator and this whole part here. So this is the mixed fraction. Don't write the final answer in the in the chapter fractions or in the form of fractions. Don't write always in the form of that is improper fraction. You should convert that one into either nothing but you should convert that into mixed fraction. And second one, this is the second one. So here they given first one is mixed fraction and second one is proper fraction. First we should convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is 6 into 5 plus 2 by 5. Next 5 into 6 plus 2 by 5 into 7 by 9. 5 into 6 30 plus 2 by 5 into 7 by 9, that is equal to 30 plus 2 32 by 5 into 7 by 9. So next 32 into 7 by 5 by 5 into 9. 32 7s are 244 by 9 5s are 45, but this is in the form of mixed fraction. So we should convert this improper fraction, sorry, this is in the form of improper fraction. So we should convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction as it is. We should divide this numerator by denominator. This numerator by denominator, that is from 45 to 224. Then we get the answer 4 of 44 by 45. So you should learn or you should practice how to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction by taking different examples. That means denominator is less than the numerator or numerator is greater than denominator. That is the improper fraction. You should take example of those and convert that into mixed fraction. Next, third one. So in the third one, they given 3 by 2 into 5 of 1 by 3 solution. So they given second one is mixed fraction. First we should convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 3 by 2 into 3 of 3 into 5 plus 1, 3 5 is 15 plus 1 by 3. Then 3 by 2 into 15 plus 1, 16, 16 by 3. But this 16 is not divisible by 3 and this 3 is not divisible by 2. So we should multiply these two, that is 3 into 6 by 2 into 3. 16 3 is 48 by 2 3 is 6. So this 48 is completely divisible by 2. 6 1s are 6, 6 8s are 48. Answer is 8. Fourth one, next. Here also fifth one problem will be homework for you. At the end I will give the list of the problems. Here also second one is mixed fraction. We should convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is 5 by 6 into 7 into 2 plus 3 by 7. That is equal to 5 by 6 into 7 2s are 14 plus 3. That is 5 by 6 into 14 plus 3 is 7. That is 17. 17 by 7. That is equal to 5 into 17 by 6 into 7. That is equal to 17 5 is 85 by 7 6 is 42. And this is in the form of improper fraction. So we should convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction by dividing this numerator by denominator. So you should divide and find the value whether the coming value is 2 of 1 by 42 or not by checking that. Okay. Yes, next. Sixth one. Fifth one will be homework and this is the sixth one. Sixth one they given first one is mixed fraction and second one is whole number. Yes, so here this means in the numerator nothing will be there, means numerator that contain at least 1. So this is 5 into 2 plus 3 by 5 into 3. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 by 5 into 3. 10 plus 3 13. 13 by 5 into 3. So we should multiply numerator to numerator. This 13 into 3 by 5, 13 3 is 39, 39 by 5, that is equal to 7 of 4 by 5. And next, fifth one will be homework for you and we shall move on to the next fourth man. So they given 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 and 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. This is the 1 and this one is 1. Or means either this is greater or this one is greater. We should find out. So for that we should multiply these two and we should multiply these two. So here we should take first one and here will be second one. 2 by 7 into 3 by 4 and 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. 2 into 3 by 7 into 4 and this one is 3 into 5 by 5 into 8. This is taken here and this one is taken here. 2 3s are 6 by 7 4s are 28. 3 5s are 15 by 5 8s are 40. So 6 1s are 2 3s are 6. These two are divisible by 2 because at the unit place these two contains even numbers. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and this is 5 3s are 15, 5 8s are 40. So here numerators are same, then we should convert the denominators. In the previous class we compared by if the denominator are same, we compared numerator. In the numerator, which number is bigger, that fraction is bigger, and it is opposite to that. So if the numerator are same, we should compare the denominators. In the denominator, which number has greater value, that is the smallest, and which number has lesser value, that is the greater fraction. So for this numerator are same, denominator we should compare. So in the denominator, which number is lesser, that is that fraction is greater fraction. So really denominator here is 8, so this 3 by 8 is the greater one. But numerator, in that one, which number is bigger, that is the greater one. Second one we should know here. Simple. First one is 1 by 2 of 6 by 7. Second one is 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. 1 by 2 into 6 by 7 means 1 into 6 by 2 into 7. 2 into 3 by 3 into 7. That is equal to 6 1s are 6 by 7, 2s are 14. 3 2s are 6 by 7, 3s are 21. So this is easily divisible by 3. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. So here denominators are same. So then we should compare the numerator. In the numerator, which number is bigger, that is the greater number, greater fraction. When we are going to compare denominator, which number is greater, that fraction is lesser. So here denominator same is then numerator, the numerator 3 is greater. Therefore the fraction 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. Thus 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is greater. Next, 8th one. 4th one, second one is the homework. So in the 4th one, yes, nothing will be there. We have completed those two. We shall move on to the 8th problem or 8th question. Provide the number in the box such that undefined control sequence are square. Solution. So they given first one is 3 by 2 into box is equal to 10 by 30. So 10 by 30 means we should forget 10 by 30. What we have to do? So what we have to do means, to get 30 we should multiply. What we have to multiply for 30? For 3. If you multiply 10, we get 30. Yes? Yes. So for that reason we should take here 10 and also here 5. Then 5 2s are 10 by 10 3s are 30. So numerator will be 5 and denominator will be 10. Alva? That is 2 5s are 10 by 3 10s are 30. Alva? That means to get 10 by 30, what we should multiply for numerator and denominator. So to get 30, we should multiply what for numerator means 5. To get 30, 5 2s are 10, and for the denominator 10, to get 30, that is 10 3s are 30. And second one. The simplest form of the number obtained is, simplest form of 5 by 10 is very simple. We should divide these two by a single number, that is 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So in the box we should write 1 by 2 is the simplest form of 5 by 10. Next, provide the number in the box such that undefined control sequence. Solution 3 by 5 into, so we should fill this box, that is equal to 24 by 75. That is 3 by 5 into, forget 75 and forget 24. What we have to multiply? So to get 24 for 3, we should multiply 8. That is 3 8s are 24. That's clear. To get 75, what we have to multiply for 5 is 15. 15 5s are 75. So in the box we should write 8 by 15. That is the answer for that box. Next. Second one. The simplest form of the number obtained in the box is solution. Simplest form of 8 by 15 is 8 by 15. Because why means we can't divide this 8 by 15 by a same number. Wow, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಅಂದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ಸಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈ 8 by 15ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 15 ಈಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ 3 tables and 15 tables. But 8 nuts comes under 3 tables also, 15 tables also. That means these two are comes under different tables. So we can't able to simplify this one. That's why we should write as it is. Then we wrote the simplest form of the number obtained in the box is 8 by 15 as it is. Okay. And in the third main, fifth problem will be remaining, and in the second main also fifth problem will be remaining. You should solve those two problems. In the third main, fifth one will be homework, and in the second main also fifth one will be homework. These two are the homework. So first you should convert this into improper fraction and multiply, and these two are directly multiplied. After that you should practice how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction by taking different improper fractions, and also easy. For example, 9 by 2, 7 by 3, 12 by 5, like this. Take those improper fraction and convert those improper fraction into mixed fraction. Yes. Thank you, students.